Welcome back for a new video. Colleen here, and if you're new, welcome. This is another fast with me day. We're running an April challenge on the Facebook group. If you're interested in daily motivation, support, and encouragement from over 2.7 thousand people. It's crazy. The group has grown so much since late March, and everyone is just sharing their journey. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below and I'll be sure to add you to the group. I have decided to do 4-3 for the time being because I have been in the gym working on my fitness. I'll be up in the gym just working on my fitness. He's my witness. So 4-3 is 4 days feasting, 3 days fasting. I have put on my calendar, like marked on my calendar, which makes it solidify. That means it's an appointment. My fast days are going to be Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Why Sunday? I like Sundays as a fast day. That's kind of like the reset for the week. I'm not really doing too many Jamaican Sunday dinners, so why not? And I'm really happy with that. The true alternate day fasting, I felt really depleted because I have such an active overnight job. I have, the gym that I'm doing heavy lifting in, and on my fast days, I was doing some light active work. So it's like, but I really do want to reach my goal of 170. I'm currently 178, 179. Hopefully by the end of April, I can at least reach 175. Yeah, I just want more gains in the gym. And if you don't have enough calories, you can't get the gains. I want the gains, honey, the gains. I want the booty. Right now, it's after work. It is currently 8:38. I got off work early. I have a session for my son that I leave work early on Thursdays for. And right now, I'm waiting for him to finish. It's a 30-minute session. So this morning, I had a half of a bottle of my 5-hour energy. Today was really a lot of work, and I didn't even finish my shift. So can you imagine if I had finished the shift? Lord have mercy. I also had, I think, 2 pieces of gum. This is the Mentos Pure Fresh gum, and I have been sipping on seltzer. I really needed that. I don't drink coffee every day. Sometimes I just go ahead and have the 5-hour energy. 1, because I'm usually running behind on time. And 2, like if it ain't got cream, like what's the point? I drink the coffee for the cream. Like, oh, so I'm actually going to journal right now o'clock. Goodbye. So I stopped at Dollar General to get some batteries for my son's toys. And then of course I walked over to the hygiene section and I had to refrain myself, but this I could not stop myself. Look at this. This is a deodorant by Hello. Aluminum free, baking soda free, paraben free, and it said unicorn with a rainbow. So that was enough for me to pick it up. It has like a sweet strawberry candy scent. I'm kind of testing out more aluminum free deodorants because the goal is to be as low chemical as possible. I want to decrease harsh chemicals as possible. Coloring a little girl?
Yes.
It's really important for me to start washing my face after work. I have such a dirty job. My hands are filthy, my clothes are filthy. Even when I blow my nose, my nostrils are filthy. So I can imagine my face. I really need to get into the practice of washing my face after work. So this is makeup remover. I wear makeup, well, I wear like mascara and concealer. And the easiest way to remove all of that is some makeup remover. This is the Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. Where are you going? Where are you going? This is my shadow, y'all. You won't see me without him.
Not even.
Just using some Cetaphil.
That's why the mommy.
There you go. So I just like to use a paper towel to dry my face. It's always clean. I've been loving this Versed. I've been loving Versed, period. I recently picked up the cleanser and this gel cream. It feels like there's silicone in it, but there's no silicone in it. It's amazing ingredients and very hydrating. Oh, where did I got this at Walmart, but there's no silicone. I usually look for moisturizers with no silicones in it, because to me that's like false hydration, and then it like traps bacteria on your skin. So I usually look for moisturizers with no silicones, no dimethicones, no none of that. This is hitting the spot. That's rain. I wanted to show you all one of my favorite supplements. This is the Bloom's Greens and Superfoods. This is my second time purchasing this, but this is one of the best super green dietary supplements for digestion, bloating, and immunity. Like, the bloating and digestion part, they don't lie. Maybe I need to try more, but this has been my favorite that I've come across. It really does work and help with bloating and digestion. One scoop is 15 calories. Tastes great. That's the best part. It tastes really nice. I've had her original one and that tastes good. And the coconut one tastes just as good. Mix that in. To kick this up a notch, I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, and just add a shot to my supplement, and bottoms up. This is the regulator, okay? You're about to vacation and you're preparing for vacation. If you're coming off vacation, if you're coming off of really bad dieting, this is a good way to reset the tummy. And I bought it with my own money. I just want to let you know it's pricey. It was $72. It was $72 for that jar, but those are things I will happily pay for because my health is wealth. Like, I will buy $72 worth of Shein clothes and be lucky if I have it until the end of the season. But my body, I will live in forever. So you really have to determine what's worth it for you. And my health, I don't play about my health. I'll pay money for my health and I'll pay money for my supplements. Something about supplements, I love supplements. I will collect them all. Send me all your supplements, companies. Tell Vital Proteins to sponsor me. Like, I know I'm making them money. Collagen is life. Yeah, that's also another reason why my skin is great and I feel vibrant. I make sure I get my greens in, no matter the form. Salads, I get in green supplements. And I love like superfoods. So the way to radiate on the outside is to nourish the inside. It's currently 2:40 p.m. My mom made soup and I'm just so sad because I love soup with all my heart. Soup is actually my favorite food. I'm going to get some electrolytes in. This is the Vitamin Hydrate Electrolyte Drink Mix. This is the immunity one, and I only got the immunity one because it was the only one that had like 5 calories per pack. It doesn't have any sucralose. I think that's why I mainly picked it too. It didn't have sucralose or aspartame. This has monk fruit extract, which is a natural sweetener, and the supplement facts for the calorie count, perfection. So this is Vitamin Hydrate. I got it in the juice aisle of Walmart. When I tell you it is hard fasting with my kids, like especially my 3-year-old. So right now I'm making him fish sticks, right? I'm praying, I put enough that he'll be satisfied. I'm praying he'll eat all of it, but I have a feeling he won't. And then there's gonna be leftovers, and I will either have to decide whether to put it away or throw it away. And that hurts, it does. Even the soup, like I offered him some of the soup, he didn't want it. I had to fight all the urges in my body not to gobble what he didn't want. And I said, I will have it tomorrow. I can have it tomorrow. The beautiful thing about actually scheduling my fast days now that I'm 3 days a week, it's an appointment you have to show up to. And when I put it on the calendar, it makes it more real for me. Like I legit scheduled my exercises and my fast days. It's like I'm so close to my goal. I'm like whatever about the scale, but I'm not whatever about the way my body looks. I'm just really excited. You know who's my body goals? Is Nicole Murphy. Nicole Murphy has my dream body. She's curvy, she's tall, she's fit, she's toned, she walks with power, and she's confident. I love it all. I want it all. She's on my vision board, and that's the body I'm going for. I think she said she's 150 and she's like 5'11". It's a little crackhead status for me, but definitely I will do 160 in a heartbeat. I will do 160. I don't care what nobody says. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I don't want to hear it. My shadow's looking for me. Hi. So I just did Chloe Ting's 20-minute Get Toned Body. And I love that video. It is like the perfect amount of strength, cardio, works all the major body groups. I have some 8-pound dumbbells that I use, along with this athletic mat that I got from Walmart. Very soft, cushiony, and durable, surprisingly. Knocked out a workout, and what that does is it exhausts me. It just fatigues me, so I just knock right out to sleep. I think if you want good rest, it has to be a sleep well earned. So you can't be really like just chilling all day and then expect to go to sleep like a log. You kind of want to fatigue yourself, exhaust the body a bit, so as soon as your head hits the pillow, you're out like a light. My sons are gone for the evening. They're with dad overnight, and so I have some time to just exercise and get ready for work tomorrow. Tonight, I'm gonna take a shower. I don't think I'm gonna have some tea. I was probably gonna have tea, but I'm just really sleepy. And that's the thing about having an overnight job too, especially one that's really physically active. You just be going to sleep. You're too tired to eat. A lot of times I've been too tired to eat. I just want to lay down and sleep. And yeah, it's just after 7 p.m. right now. This will be the shower lineup of the night. I have the Tree Hut Cotton Candy Sugar Scrub, the Native Body Wash and Tie-Dye Vanilla Cupcake, EOS, my fate, like this is the ultimate delicious scent, EOS Vanilla Cashmere Body Lotion, and this new try that I got from Dollar General today. What a pretty lineup. I'm also going to pop one of these melatonins to just, as soon as I'm finished with the shower, I'm hitting the pillow because I'm so done. I have to get up for 3:30 tonight, 3:30 a.m. for work. I'm gonna pick some clothes out and just knock out. I'm beat. It's 8:20 and I'm hitting the sack. I've been sipping on my electrolyte water. For those who have, you know, some issues going to sleep, yeah, I have melatonin, but it's important to create a solid sleep routine, and I will be doing a full sleep routine video soon. But the whole goal is to wind down properly start your evening routine around 5 or 6 in the evening. Get everything out the way soon. So take a shower, eat your meal, prep all your clothes, and just start winding down. And it's really nice at night if you feel really hungry to have a nice warm cup of tea, especially with lemon in it. It's very satisfying, and for some reason it seems to hit some kind of neurotransmitters that make you feel satisfied. So if you feel really hungry at night, have a nice hot cup of tea with lemon. I am feeling very soft and silky. I tried my new deodorant and I probably went a little overboard. It smells like watermelon bubblegum. All right, so thank you so much for watching this fast with me. I hope you learned something and I hope it inspired you to try at least your first fast day or get through your fast day. Looking forward to your next fast day. And enjoy your feast day that's coming up. Your refuel day is the day to get it in nicely so you can prepare for your next fast day. I wish you so much mental peace and happiness, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.